Hey guys, today I want to talk about one of my favorite fall foods here in Japan, ginkgo nuts. In Japan they're called ginnan, and I just happened to come across some people picking them the other day when I was on a walk. They lay out all these nets on the ground like this to pick them up, and then somebody has to climb up the tree to shake them down.
Konnichiwa.
The edible part of the ginnan is on the inside. On the outside there's this fruit sort of thing, but actually the skin of this can really make your skin itchy, and it's really stinky. So before they eat them, they have to remove that. They put them all in baskets like this, and they load them into a machine to remove the outside. As you can see, the brush is slowly removing the outside skin to reveal the nut on the inside. I sometimes do this by hand, but if I had a machine like this, it would sure be a lot faster. And here's what's left of the outside skin, and it's really stinky. Then they put them into this machine that cleans them some more and dries them off. And then what you're left with is the cleaned nut, and now they're ready to package and sell. I bought a box and I thought I might as well show you how to cook them in case you're curious. First, you need to smash the shell open, and you can use a hammer for that. You can put them on skewers like this and fry them in a frying pan. But actually, my favorite way to make them is just smash them open and throw them all in, shells and all, into a frying pan with some oil and a little bit of salt. And you're going to want to cook them until the nuts themselves turn a dark green color, probably at least 10 minutes or so. And when they're done, they should look like this, and they're totally delicious, even better with beer. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you later.